It's your womb auntie, bestie. We're going to talk about herbs to release trauma. Trauma doesn't just live in the mind, it gets stored in the body, the nervous system, and the energetic field. Herbs have long been used to help release emotional pain, restore balance, and bring the spirit back into alignment. We're going to talk about 9 powerful herbs to support emotional release and deep healing. And these herbs can be used in the form of drinking them in a tea. You can make baths with them. Some of them you can smoke. Just walk and talk with me, okay? Mugwort. Mugwort clears emotional blockages, enhances your dreams, and connects you to your inner wisdom. Do not consume mugwort if you are trying to have a baby. Damiana. It eases anxiety, it lifts the spirit, and reconnects you to pleasure and joy. Motherwort. It calms the heart, it releases fear, and supports inner strength. Lavender. Lavender soothes the nervous system, promotes rest, and encourages deep emotional healing. Rose petals. It heals the heart chakra, it restores softness, and it opens the heart to love again. Yarrow. Yarrow is really good for protecting your energy, strengthening emotional boundaries, and it aids in trauma recovery. Lemon balm. It relieves stress, lifts the mood, and encourages emotional balance. Passionflower. It quiets the mind, it supports emotional release, and it eases overthinking. My favorite, holy basil. It clears stagnant energy, balances emotions, and promotes spiritual clarity and dispels confusion. Your healing journey is a journey. People think that healing is lateral, and it's not. Be patient with yourself. These herbs can be used in teas, baths, yoni steams, or ritual work to help you move through trauma and reclaim your peace. You need some support in your healing process? I got all that. Yoni steams, herbal detoxes, spiritual baths, and custom blends designed to cleanse, restore, and realign your energy. Start your healing journey today, sis. Shop now at my Etsy shop. The link is in my bio. Bye.